everyone, this is Daisy and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, I'm going to pot the 13 pieces of succulent that we bought from Jen's CNS. Ito yung FB page yung seller, Jen CNS. Please check her FB page and follow her. So, prepare ko na ahead of time yung 13 pieces of pot para mabilis tayo. So, ito yung mga succulents na ating ipapat. So, yung soil mixture na ginamit ko is yung paring 50% loam soil and 50% pumice stone. And then, I'm putting on top of each pot, tag ko konting Osmocote kasi nga medyo mahal or pricey yung Osmocote. So, tag ko konti lang yung nilalagay ko. Although, yung soil mixture ko, may konting Osmocote na din siya. Pero, mas mabilis kasi mag-root kung mayroong Osmocote sa ibabaw. So, itatap ko din siya ng red sand dressing para maganda siyang tignan or malinis tignan pag pinat natin yung mga succulent. So, mamaya makikita nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko malinis at magandang tignan kapag may red sand dressing. So, I recommend this supplier or seller, Jen CNS, kasi actually 8 pieces lang yung succulents na binili ko sa kanya. Pero, naging 13 pieces kasi binigyan niya ako ng 5 pieces na free. So, if you are looking for a seller na generous magbigay ng free, you can follow or check her page. So, let's start potting the succulents now. The first one that we potted is the variegated St. Louis. And then, the second one is the Heart Choice. Actually, twin head siya. So, kinat ko siya para maging dalawa siya. Kasi medyo mahirap itan na yung pagka twin head yung succulent mo. Tapos, ito naman yung Snow Bunny. And then, we're going to pot the variegated Beyonce. So, madali lang naman silang ipat, lalo na pagka Echeveria, yung ating pinapat, ipapatong mo lang. The next one is the Monstrous Harry Watson. And then, the next one is variegated Lolomi. And then, we're going to pat next is the variegated Momocha. And then, this Echeveria Hira, which is given to us by the seller as free. Ang laki nung size niya. As in, kasing laki na siya ng mouth nung pot na pinagpatan ko. And then, another free from the seller. It's the Madiba. Ang laki din nung Madiba, medium to large na yung size niya. And then, eto namang susunod na succulent is hindi ko alam yung succulent ID. Please comment below if you know the succulent ID. And thank you in advance for helping me out. So, medyo nahirapan akong ipat yung succulent na to. Kasi mahaba yung stem niya. I have to remove again yung soil and then tsaka ko siya ipinat. And then I top it with the soil mixture ko. And then I top it with the red sand dressing. This succulent is also a free from the seller. So, ang dami niya talagang binigay sa akin na frees. 5. So, thank you very much, Ma'am Jen, for giving me so much free. So, ito naman is yung baby's long Heart Choice. Diba, twin head siya. So, may kasama pa siyang dalawang maliit sa gilid. So, hiniwalay ko na rin siya sa pagpat para mas mabilis siyang lumaki. And magagamit ko rin kasi yung mga babies na to pag gumagawa ako ng succulent arrangement. So, the next one that we're going to pot, I'm not sure if it is a Sedum Adolphi. So, medyo mahirap din siya ipat kasi medyo mahaba yung stem niya. So, I have to remove soil again and then pot the succulent. Put some soil mixture again. Top it with the red sand dressing. So, etong Sedum Adelphi na to is given to us by the seller as free ulit. As I have mentioned earlier, 8 pieces lang yung binayaran natin for 770 pesos pero binigyan niya tayo ng 5 pieces free. So, very generous talaga si seller. Kung naghanap kayo ng generous seller na maraming mabigyan ng free, I recommend is Jen CNS. But hindi ko lang siya nire-recommend because of marami siyang pa-free. Kasi very healthy din naman talaga yung succulents na pinadala niya sa akin. And maganda yung pagkaka-air dry. Maayos din kausap yung seller. So, yung next na ipapat natin is yung Diamond State na binili ko lang for 60 pesos pero malaki na siya. So, kaya pinat ko siya sa medyo malaking pot din. The next one is Variegated Undulata. I bought it for 100. So, big size na din siya. And I guess I have to put stone kasi parang matutumba siya. So, naka-close yung kanyang mga leaves. Pero eventually, pag nagka-roots na yan, bubuka na din yan. So, ang ganda ng color niya kasi it's variegated yellow and green. Finally done in potting our succulents that we have bought from Jen CNS. Let's have a final and closer look at each succulent. Enjoy watching! So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing of how I pat my new succulents that I bought from an online seller. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye.